A 2016 Lexus NX200t. We're doing a cabin air filter today. It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we're going to lower the glove box. First step is to disconnect this damper right here. Just pull on it, and you can disconnect it. There's these stoppers right here that stop the glove box. We're going to push the glove box in and pull down. Same thing on this side. Push it in like that, and then you can lower the glove box door down. Cabin filter is located in this compartment here. We're going to take this door off by pushing this tab in, pulling towards us. You can remove the door. There's the door here. Notice the door says up on the corner here. Just pull out the filter. Well, it's not too bad. We're going to replace it with a little bit of an upgrade that I got off of Amazon. If you need one, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one for your NX. Notice that it has arrows on it. This is airflow direction. And it's going to be down. Just slide this guy in here like this. Move the door, and then we put it in the left side first. Click it on like that. Get the glove box, and just close it. And damper over here, you just come back, snap it back on, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.